Everyone knows Michael Jordan, the champion, but hardly anyone knows the boy who got cut. I was 15, I was on the list. Or rather, I wasn't on the list. My name was missing. No place on my high school varsity team. The coaches said I was too small, too light, not good enough. That day I went home, locked myself in my room and cried, not because I wanted to give up, but because there was a fire inside me, because I knew they were wrong. So I woke up early the next morning. I trained while others slept. I practiced while others celebrated. I was obsessed, not with fame, but with never feeling that way again. Every layup became a statement. Every jump shot a rebellion. Every drop of sweat a promise to myself, I will come back and you will not overlook me again. Back then, I was just Mike, a kid from North Carolina. But right there, in that rejection, Michael Jordan was born. This is the beginning of my journey.